So how to find out the area of this prism? It is 2 times base area, 2 times base area into 2 times, it was given over here, 2 times base area plus perimeter of base into length. So it will be 2 times area of cross section. Rather, I should say cross section is in the form of what? Sector. So I will simply say area of a sector. Sector plus perimeter of a sector. A sector perimeter of a sector into length, length or height it can be, into length or height. Got the formula? Or should I write it again? Can you read the formula? Okay. No perimeter of a sector is given in which form? You see the 25 is the angle given and radius is given as what? 15. So 2 times 25 by 360. I hope you remember the formula for area of sector. That is theta by 360 into pi r squared. R is what? 15 squared. Then plus, let me write it with a different color. Plus perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector, let me do it clearly. Yes, clearly. So it is total surface area will be theta 25 by 360 times 2 pi r squared. R is what? 15 squared plus perimeter of base. Perimeter of base, base or cross section again. Base or cross section. Cross section is again a sector. So perimeter of sector ka formula I hope you remember. 25 by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r. Remember? And that will be into height now. अब क्या करना है हमने? Into height. Height of that is given as what? 5. Can you see this? 5 into 5 into 5. Is it clear? Mashallah. Good. I'm not sure about the answer, but I hope you have done it in the same way that I have explained. So my dear student, is it clear? Is it clear, my dear students? Say yes. Okay. 3 of you said yes. Rest everybody. Should I explain it again? Anybody who wants to me to explain it again? Say no. I will understood. It is understood. Okay, shabash. Say no. I will explain it again. Okay. So my dear students, let's. There are many questions in this assignment. You see, the previous one I have explained in another class. You can look at the video of that one on your channel. And I'm starting out with the next one so that rest everybody can see this.
Sir, आपने channel का नाम नहीं बताया अभी.
बताया. I just explained and told you. सुना नहीं? AIS virtual learning. मैंने यहाँ आपके लिए start भी करके रखा हुआ था. ये देखिए. AIS virtual learning. ये there it is a playlist with G9 mathematics. Okay. Grade 9 mathematics. मैंने जो पीछे एक दो लेक्चर कुछ मैंने net of the figures बताया था वो I explained it there. अभी मैं आपका एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम्स की अपलोड कर दूंगा. उसके बाद जो ये जो मैं असाइनमेंट करा रहा हूँ
सर बस YouTube पे जाके AIS virtual learning डाल के तो आ जाएगा.
जी और आपके सामने प्लेलिस्ट आएंगी. ठीक है, प्लेलिस्ट आएगी G9 मैथमेटिक्स की. ठीक है.
यस सर.
गॉट इट? एवरीबॉडी गॉट इट? Okay. So let's move to this question now. It says what? The diagram shows a glass in the shape of what? In the shape of a cone for drinking milk. A cone has a radius 6 and height 15. A bottle of milk has 2 liters. How many? Bada important question. How many times a glass can be completely filled with the bottle? बेटा हमेशा याद रखिए, this is the total volume given. ठीक है, this is the total volume given to you, and you will find out the volume of the small shape that is given to you. So you will find out the volume of cone. Anybody who remember the formula for the volume of cone? Rather, it is given over here. As I told you, volume of cone will always be given to you. 1/3 times pi r. R is what? R is 6 squared time h. That is 15. Shabas, quickly calculate it for me. Anybody with a calculator? Can you do it for me? जी मेरा बेटा 180 pi multiplied with pi, give me the final answer. After multiplication with pi, what do you get?
Sir, 565.2.
नहीं यार इतना नहीं होगा, because you see
Sir, 188.4.
565 point. ठीक है, 565.4. ठीक है, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ. जी 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 बोलो
सर एंड में क्या लिख
कहाँ पे बेटा? ये 3 पे मैंने कैंसिल किया. 3 1s are 3 5s are
नहीं सर, ऊपर से ये
15.
रेडियस के बाद
15 is the height. I have placed the value 15 for the height, and then 15 cuts out with 3 and it gives you 5. मैं दोबारा लिख देता हूँ. It is 15. When you cut it with 5, it gives you what? 5. Got it? अच्छा, अब देखिए ये आ गया. It's a volume of a single cone, and that is in centimeter cube because our dimensions was in centimeter cube. It's a 4-mark question. 1 mark will be for this one. Rather, most probably 2 marks will be for this portion. No, we had a 2 liters, so we need to convert these 2 liters into centimeter cube. ठीक है? Can anyone tell me how many liters are there in a how many centimeter cube are there in a 1 liter? 1 liter में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं जी?
100.
1 liter में कितने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब होते हैं?
Sir, 1000 होता है.
माशाल्लाह, God, very good. Who is this? (1,000) is 1000 centimeter cube. Boys, शाबाश. Is it you? Okay. So 2 में कितना हो गया? 2000 हो गया. So easy. अब यहाँ पे आ जाए. How many? You will find a lot of questions with these how many words. Okay. How many means कितने. तो बेटा आप क्या करोगे? Total volume को keep your calculator with you. 2000 it was the total volume. 2000 divided by what? The volume of a single glass. That is 565.4. Can you do it for me quickly? और मुझे exact answer चाहिए with the decimal.
Sir, 3.5398.
3.5398. यहाँ मेरा बेटा सुनिएगा.
आगे भी है.
Okay, बस that's enough. That's enough. For few values. बेटिया गौर से सुनिएगा. It's a very important point. याद रखिएगा. Whenever you have to tell how many times, like the number of things, only you take the integral part of this decimal portion. Okay. You will never round it off. Okay. Yeah, like it will never be said to be 5. Oh, sorry, 4. ये कभी भी हम इसको 4 नहीं कहेंगे. याद रखिएगा. ये 3 point था. It was 3.5. ठीक है. 3.5, so it will never be rounded up. It will always be only the integral part. वैसे तो अगर आप राउंड करें इसको नॉर्मल मैथमेटिक्स में जब आप इसको राउंड करने को कहे to the whole number, it comes out to be 4. But whenever we talk about completely failed number of things, so it will be rounded to the integral part, that is 3. Integral part इसको कहते हैं जो decimal से left side पे होता है उसको हम integral part कहते हैं. Is it clear? Any confusion with this last point, especially ask me please. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे बताएं. I'll explain it again.
सर तो फिर वो 3 टाइम ग्लास फिल हो जाएगा.
Yeah, exactly. जी मैं मदीला.
अस्सलाम सर, असल में वो अचानक क्लास खत्म हो जाती है तो एक अनाउंसमेंट करनी थी, इजाजत है कर दूं?
जी जी मैम, श्योर प्लीज.
शुक्रिया. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों का टाइम टेबल चेंज हो रहा है. सैटरडे को आप उससे अपने पोर्टल से ही ना अपना टाइम टेबल चेक कर लीजिएगा. मंडे से न्यू टाइम टेबल फॉलो हो रहा होगा. ठीक है, मैं एक दफा फिर बता देती हूँ. सैटरडे को पोर्टल से अपना न्यू टाइम टेबल डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा क्योंकि मंडे से न्यू टाइम टेबल ही फॉलो होगा. सो बी केयरफुल प्लीज. शुक्रिया सर, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
वेलकम मैम. जी बेटा, so 3 complete glass of milk will be filled. ठीक है, may I move forward? Okay. आप देखिए अगला क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है. अगला कहता है how many volume of milk is left in the bottle. अब जरा याद रखिएगा. अब हमने क्या किया था कि how many, what was the volume of one glass. ये याद रखिएगा. One glass hold 565.4. So a glass of milk contain how much volume? A glass of milk contain 5.4 था, 4.5 था. Can you tell me? It was 564.5 liters, centimeter cube rather. No, we got 3 glasses. So what it will be? 3 times 5, 6, 4.5. सही? No, multiplied with this one, please. 3 times 5, 6, 4.5. Can everybody give me the answer? This is the answer. 1693.5 centimeter cube. अभी से लेफ्ट कैसे निकालेंगे? Any idea? जी, any idea?
सर आपका माइक म्यूट हुआ हुआ है.
Sorry. It will be 2000 was the total volume. It was the volume that we had was 1639.5. So when you will subtract, you will get the answer for the remaining volume. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? May I move forward? Again, this is very important. 11th question. 10th, we don't have any 20th question. Okay, let's do it. Any idea? Again, this is a trench type of a thing given, and you see what is written: cross
Sir,
section of
10th question.
10th नहीं है बेटा, 10th नहीं.
10th
We don't have a 10th question. It's the 11th. G. Hurry up, we have only 7 minutes more. Hurry up, rather 8. Any idea? गौर से पढ़ें इसको. Cross section of a prism is a semicircle. You see, so you won't take it as a semicircle. ये पूरी चीज हमारे किस फॉर्म में दी है? Prism की फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है. And this will be taken as what? This will be your base area. This, you see, cross section मैंने आपको बताया, जहां पे भी लिखा होगा, this semicircle will be your base area. It says total surface area. ठीक है? So अभी मैंने आपको बताया total surface area of a prism will be what? Total surface area of prism is 2 times base area plus perimeter of base times height or the length. Times height or the length. Let's do it. 2 times base area. Base is what? I just said semicircle. Semicircle का area होगा pi r squared divided by 2 plus perimeter of base. Perimeter of base क्या है? याद रखिएगा. It's also contain this length also. Okay. So it will be perimeter of base will be perimeter of semicircle 2 pi r divided by 2 plus 2r because it's in the form of protector. Remember, the protector का हमने एक perimeter निकाला था. So this one times height. Height or length is the same thing. It is 15 over here. So this is how you will calculate the values. Is it clear?
सर perimeter of base कौन सा है?
Perimeter base बेटा this one. देखो फिर क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या है? आपने क्रॉस सेक्शन समझना है. Perimeter of cross section. क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या है? That is a semicircle. तो बेटो मैं इसको जरा डिफरेंट तरह से करता हूँ. ये देखिए, this one plus this one. So what I did is a perimeter of base के लिए मैंने क्या लिखा? Semicircle plus 2r. Semicircle plus 4 plus 4 or 2 times 4 gives you 8. बात समझ आ गई? Is it clear?
जी सर.
Okay, may I move forward? अच्छा, चलिए. Again, pyramids. Pyramid का एक ऊपरी क्वेश्चन है जो कि दूसरी एक previous recording आपको मिलेगी. There will be 2 recordings, okay? Recording 1 and recording 2. So let's do it. Total surface area of pyramid. Before going to the total surface of pyramid, let's get back to the formula that I told you. याद है? This one, base area plus area of the shapes in the sides. Areas of the shapes in the sides. So let's see what our question says. See, our base is a square. Total surface area will be what? Base area, that is square, plus the area of the sides. अब बेटा area of the sides निकालना सबसे important है इसमें. सबसे पहले let me explain you. Let's take a triangle. Which one? PBC. PBC. Because if I will have the area for this PBC, then I'll time it by 4, and that will give me the areas of those 4 shapes, 4 triangles. So बेटा याद रखिएगा यहाँ पे मेरे बेटे, यहाँ से आप क्या करोगे? हमेशा इसको यहाँ से एक वर्टिकली यहाँ लेके आओगे. You will start it from here and bring it here. let me draw it properly a bit like this. And it always makes a 90 degree. It always makes a 90 degree on both the sides. So area of triangle PBC will be what? Let me name it Q. It will be 1 by 2 base. Base will be BC. Base into height. So it will be 1 by 2 BC times height. Height, let me take it PQ. P, there is a P over here and there is a Q. PQ. Got it? अब BC तो हमारे पास 6 मौजूद है, बट हमने PQ निकालना. PQ कैसे निकालेंगे? देखो बेटा, let's have a look at this one now. This one. This is a right angle triangle given. So if this is 6, this is also 6, and it is always make it clear that this will be divided into 2 equal halves. So this is 3, this is 3 also. Now this becomes PMQ is a right angle triangle. PMQ is a right angle triangle. Got it? This is the perpendicular, this is the base, and this becomes the hypotenuse. So using the Pythagoras theorem, you will find out the hypotenuse. H square equals to P square plus B square. So P is what? 4 squared plus 3 squared. And you you take the square root of this one, it will become what? Because you have to remove that square root from H, square root from H. It will become 25. मुझे याद है कैलकुलेशन, तो मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, आप इसको बेशक कैलकुलेटर से कर सकते हैं. 25 and you will take the square root, it will become 5. So basically this hypotenuse becomes 5 or PQ becomes 5. So it will be what? 1 by 2 BC. BC is 6 times 5. 2 times 3. It becomes 15. So beta एक surrounding जो triangle बन गई PBC का, that is the area for that one is 15. अब आ जाए इसके ऊपर, the area for this surface area for this pyramid will become what? अभी फिर मैंने आपको दिखाया था 2 times base area. ऐसी था? Sorry, it was not 2 times. I'm really sorry. It was base area of the base plus the area of the 4 triangle that is surrounding that pyramid. So base area is 6 times 6 plus 4 times, because 4 triangles are surrounding this pyramid, times 15. So that becomes 36 plus 60, and that is 96. Any questions? It's a very important question. बहुत दफा ये क्वेश्चन आता है आपके एग्जाम में. जी बेटा, एनी क्वेश्चंस? समझ आ गई सबको या कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया? Because it's the last 1 minute we have. Any questions? Quickly ask me.